You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this one, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We've got many here. There are indeed two different pronunciations, two correct ways of pronouncing this word. It comes from estuary, right? Or estuary. If you want to learn how to pronounce that word, stay tuned as well. So estuarine. Estuarine is the first pronunciation, or estuarine. Both pronunciations are indeed correct. Estuarine or estuarine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.